n'ọnụ. Jpac ịpụtara shi na mụ na onyi na igidere mụ na onyi na bed. Jpac, you will suffer.
Kwacha say na really enough maka new na update. Imana ihe mbo king of update. When it comes to dig deep video, n'ime video, wepụtelu na ihu na nọrọ n'ime video. I'm a specialist in that. So for ndị na wonder why Ogechi apụta wee make a this statement. But first of all, let us congratulate the people in here balumbo make sure Ogechi pụta. We are so happy for no pụta. So Sunday na drop happy we kita bụ ndị camp of ndị ọjọọ, camp of ndị obi onugbu, camp of ndị obi onugbu, ndị ọjọọ, camp of ndị duile ozi hapụ ihe eze ha mewe ihe ọzọ, camp of ndị oti mkpu ọsọsọ ha bụ ndị na-adọ happy, camp ndị bụkwanụ na gịnị mere na ha chọrọ jiri ntị anụ ihe ọma, camp of ndị ya pụta kpọrọ ndị ụka n'ọnụ mana ndị camp of ndị okwu ọzọ eme ọzọ, camp of ndị na-ekwu against oppressing mana ha bụ the main oppressors themselves. Also camp ha bụ ihe na-adịrọ bido happy maka na nwanne anyị nwoke Ogechi Okeke Njaka pụta. So like I said, onwe ndị na-asị na iti mkpu si na ha ịghọtaghị statement ya n'ụwa. Enwe video m play nnukwu na ghọta ebe iwe Ogechi nọ because na gịnị me ihe awụ kịta m enwe mgbe eme post si unu na gịnị anyị nọ season 1 na-apụta aba season 2, so season 2 ka anyị na-akwado ịba kịta, emechaa kịta aba season 3, then nwezikwa any other unfolding stories we will keep updating you people. Mana gee na ntị ka unu nụ, enwe one post Jpac melụ mgbe ahụ, that should be on Sunday, o si na-enwudele and I circulate video that young man picture si na gịnị mere na-enwudele ya na Ogechi na-eme ụnụ. You know, lied against that young man. You see, now that young man is which Ogechi Okeke also confirmed that guy, and you blatantly betrayed your own friend, lied against him. Say, Ogechi in bed. That's a very character assassination, defamation of character, and lying against somebody. And accusing her of akwamiko nke ndị Igbo na-akpọ adondo ka ndị Igbo na-akpọ ya. So now Ogechi, this is where the main story si abịa. Inene the video na efokwazia mgbe Ogechi introduce the guy na live video before abịa pikile up na hotel, before abịa pikile ya kwa ndị odilozi yo, ndị odilozi ha jeje megine, they were the one begging ka emegine ka eje kpụtalụ ka ha je kpụta Ogechi ka ha pụta ka akwa ha ụgwọ asị ndị jealousy as errand people jealousy, mana they will never admit to that one na live camera. But imago na nwoke pụtakwa n'iru ome gara ka ya sị na ike dị mana ọ bakwa n'ime ọmụkwa kebe eziokwu. In this battle anụ na you must not win everyone and you must never compel everybody to agree on what you agree on. Onye kpọrọ onye ọjọọ side nke gị bụrụ onye ọzọ onye ọma. No, everybody will not like you and everybody must not hate you and everybody must not like what you like and everybody must not hate what you hate. So take it or leave it. That is how this life works. So biko no neziana the main full video ka unu no ebe okwu anu wee bido ebe Ogechi Okeke Njaka wee no wee sị na Jpac wee suffer and ihe butekwa anu okwu ahụ ka unu ebe na-abịa conclude sị na ọpụtabeghị apụta ka wee case neziana the main video ka unu fụ ihe that unfold along the line. Mana gekwa no nti season 2, season 3. It's
my brother. It's my brother. So we share the same blood.
Oburu a married woman his way na ura here ni muno. A very shameful thing. A small boy from Ozobo name Onyi. He had that boy. Somebody who claimed to be my friend. Somebody who claimed to be my friend. I don't know this guy, but a brain behind ihe na-emere Ogechi. Atrak gidege o ichocho onye gine ga na akpụra day break efro ọ bụrụ Ogechi gine na bụ sogide bar room lodge ya in akwa aka n'ụzọ isi na wire pụta wucha ahụ efere n'ime gị na nwaanyị a married woman ji ụmụ na-abụ kpatara akwamozu ichocho ebe ihe eje ọ bụrụ gị na nwaanyị nọ na room a married woman. Shape on so many people. Then they joke. Small people is not Jpac. Jpac, come let us test your nash. Man, it is a Jera who with over 130 years. A single boy. He went and sleep. Now, get an apple, not in the room. Disappointed neighbor that guy in Onyi from Osobolo. I was shocked. Case noted this guy na CCTV. 30 years. What this boy na CCTV? Oh, ya na Ogechi koraka no. Ngagide amara CCTV na monitor. Fear Interpol. This is Nigeria, not the America. Nigeria want to work, they will work. And so this boy will also video. Okay, if you want to betray you, yes, so that anybody that want to betray you, go follow you, sleep for one room, make sure, say that second that they show them. Who disclosed Ogechi glow number? Now what's going to ask on yourself? Ogechi, you brought this upon yourself. You don't know that the boy betrayed you. Go take glow number, okay? Glow number, no take in the room. I'm a paid dog. No take a be away for the woman, married woman, na hotel, and your husband is there. Tomorrow somebody will come up and say, Jpac Charles, they are Nash.
Why keeping hand on? It's my brother. I want name it's my brother. So we share this. It's my brother. So I can keep my hands on him anytime. Like it's not one name okay go. The woman. Because in case you okay, you know, woman. Gorgeous. And so woman. It was try. Again, we put it there. When you need not here. Yeah, London. Hey. Even non American, who knows? In our church, all they are available. It's a young, vibrant guy. Oh, yeah, but only in America. And don't you go okay? Oh, one I go on. What do you okay? And when I get around to me, we're very much. What are possible? But that's what I'm calling wine like a good US here now. You only wine in the US. You wait us. When I they are on your hot cake. They know what I'm saying.
As they were comparing to beg them, bingo.
Nah, Jpac, get ready to have a very, very tough year. Okay, now you start, oh. Now you start. Now you start. Thank God for people that stood by me. Thank God for people that didn't give up. Thank God for people. And I stood my ground. I could get them home, station. You know they will not video that side. I could get them phone. Get the phone. Jpac could not stand in front of me. We must test your eating. I can not quiet it tomorrow. The police are raising people. It was hot. Fire was. In my hand, gave it the rule that side. They took my phone because now we keep up their the iPod. Jpac is no more than Zulu name. No man, Jpac is no more than Zulu name. Jpac no one has
What's on my phone? I record it. I called it private.
Marquesa haya ex-convict is no one has sponsor or no man. Ex-convict no one has sponsor iPod. Now you guys start what you guys cannot finish. My love you, honey. I love you. You're a darling.
A lot of face, but you cannot
a lot
see
of face
them. See when we reach Abuja.
Also
that they will not know those who are on the ground.
But that day, in fact, these people in her plan, Jpac wasted, Mom and Debunego. You get waste more. You go waste more. You go waste more. Just relax. We just started. We just started. I just bidon. Get ready. Ihe joku gajo yo, but show me ihe get joku gajo yo. Akunu bidoro. And we have naga. Let us see how everything will end. I just not out come here. The executive treatment. Oh, nyezrim security me have afford. Unu raise security they have afford. Yeziebo. Chineke gozire bugodo. For giving me the security I never thought. Who is who?
Who is on the...
Oh, so thank you all. Una baleka, una anwaka. Chineke gozire mu unu Igbo niile da came na ndị shi obodo Igbo ahụ. Nna Jpac, he putara just to come and damage a young man. Ishia betray him. You came out to damage that young man. Ishia betray him. The guy actually, I will not betray Oge. Didn't do anything. You came back. She need to money and elubed. One your damage and we boge. Only shigi happy Ogechi when home. He only be betray him. Only agwagino. He will not do that. Ga puta. A young woman named Odina who that plega form money to put a gide bobo tomona and elubed. Jpac ya tafu. Jpac, your highest contact with my best friend. Yashu go again, and you do it. Your in my highest contact with my best. I come a koroga koko. Yet you go again with Jpac. Gina yes convict. Gina a man give S convict in a Madonna Jew you. This man is Yanawa S convict and about come sit in Messiah Yanawa. Tiki Yahum Annie Nabalaga. I try to go get you when you're tall. Yana is already in moto. Ye push ye again. As convict you look so on. That's it. You need the help. I'm not in the vitamins. Escom. A better no.
I was going to
You get better no. Escom be na go in the brain me mara. Sumu kamu. Una patia. Una very bute. Una very bute Nigeria world war. I'm not a fool. From A to Z.